I really like a 7x5 closure with Leaveout. It just gives like the vibes.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify.
Hello loves, my name is Winnie Jean. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? The girls and the guys, baby, everybody is welcome. I had a silk press and then I sweated it out and then I did this little claw clip situation. I'm gonna give you a little spin so y'all can get into it. Y'all can really see the struggle bus that I've been riding on. I went out of town, I pre-filmed a bunch of content, came back from out of town, did a bunch of reorganizing life stuff, got my life together, still getting my life together. From January to like March, I'm cooking, I'm in the lab. And now I feel like I'm starting to execute everything that I was like envisioning. So we're here now. I said all that to say that I went ahead and took care of some life stuff and now I am ready to come to y'all and show y'all this wig that I have been obsessed with. Today's video is sponsored by NadulaHair. They sent me this wear and go wig. I wore it and been gone with it to Houston. I will show you guys here and here. Ate it up. I ate it up. I ate that wig up, okay? I actually filmed a tutorial when I first installed it, but I lost the footage somehow. I don't even want to talk about it. So I'm going to reinstall her today. I actually already went ahead and washed her, let her air dry, and then I went in with my pressing comb and just pressed her back into a middle part so she can give what she gave right out of the box. So this is the hair right out of the box. And this is the hair after I washed it, air dried it, and pressed out the roots, so we can prep it for our new install. With that being said, let's get into today's video. She's a 7x5 closure wig in Yaki straight, 24 inch. And I got her in normal edge. She also comes with kinky edges, but I opted for normal edge today. All the details about the hair will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and check her out. She's super cute, super pretty, okay? I'm not gonna lie, I wore this hair for a couple of weeks straight, like running her through the mud, and she still looks amazing. Baby, I'm surprised she's still standing. Oh, yeah, okay? Love her. I think I want to name her something like spicy, like, I also want to name her Kiana, but that's my mama's name, so that would be weird. I don't know, I'm gonna think of something else. To be continued. Let's go ahead and get into the hair tutorial, because am I stressed out or do I just need my hair done? Okay, so I'm not gonna do a bald cap method today. I'm literally just gonna tuck my hair into a wig cap. Is it just me, or do you like the old-fashioned wig caps when you're not gonna do the bald cap method? I feel like the HD wig caps look so good with the bald cap method, but sometimes that like super thick band at the sides in the more sheer area kind of create like a line of demarcation, and I feel like it looks weird when I don't do the bald cap. Now when I'm doing a bald cap, I love me an HD wig cap, but for like anything else, it just don't be hitting. And it was crazy, it took me forever to figure that out. And I was just about to give all my old wig caps away, because like I get a lot of them with wigs and stuff, so I have a ton. And I'm thankful that I still kept them because it just hit different. Everything is tucked in there. I slid it back just a taste. Slid it back just a little teensers. Okay, so this is the inside of the wig. It has the space for an adjustable band, a comb in the back, and it's that like smooth dome cap type of vibe. It doesn't have like the little ear tab additional piece down here. It's one of those like smoother units, very stretchy. It comes with an adjustable band as well. I just went ahead and popped that in there for a little extra security. All right, this is the closure right out of the bag. I want to install it like here. Now I need to clean it up because she leaning to the left like tweet, child. But that's okay, that ain't no problem, that ain't no problem. I used to really like the wax stick, but lately I've been liking going in with hairspray instead. It leaves the hair to feeling a lot less heavy, and I still get the hold that I'm looking for.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Okay, so everything is nice and pressed out. Now we can get into the actual install. So I'm going to just comb the hair back so I can really see what is happening with the lace. Okay, so I put the wig exactly where I want to lay it, and then I took out any like of my hair that sat in front of that line so that we can get that like perfectly seamless look, but it's gonna all make sense, just trust me. So I was gonna use the wrong spray. I'm gonna go in with my black even spray onto a card, and I'm gonna use a small makeup brush, dip into that, and then put it right on top of the lace. Once we have everything laid exactly how we want it, we applied our spray everywhere. I just went ahead and put my elastic band back on, and now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of powder and clean up this part. So I'm using my Maybelline Super Stay powder on a thin, like angled brush. And this is a skin tone powder, like the same color as my skin tone. I'm just taking this right down the part and kind of hiding that line of demarcation. Okay, so I slid my elastic band way forward, and now it's giving like basketball player, but bear with me because I want to be able to cut my hair, and if I have it slid back, it'll push the hair back and then I won't get my hair cut right. So I'm gonna part my hair down the center with my finger. We're gonna make sure the hair is nice and brushed out, and then I'm gonna take my scissors and trim about 1 inch off the bottom. When I first installed it, I didn't cut that much off. Thank God, because now I gotta re-show y'all what I did. So I'm essentially just gonna do the exact same thing I did when I first installed it to show you exactly how I got it like I had it in the beginning videos. But we're gonna clean it up and make it a little better. So we got our bottom layer cut, and now I'm just gonna part from the back of the part straight down to just like at my ear. And this is where we're gonna add even more layers. So I'm just going to brush the hair all together until we kind of have it at an angle like this. And then I'm just gonna cut at an angle. And there's our layers. They look great. Okay, the layers are perfect. Let's go ahead and straighten the hair. I feel like once you straighten this hair, it really comes to life. This is the hair air dried, and I feel like it's giving very like just wash my hair after getting a fresh relaxer, but once you straighten it, it's giving silky press, and I just love it. It looks so good and super full. Ooh, it's one of my favorite hair textures. I'm using my 1-inch Babyliss Pro flat irons. And I have them on high heat, girl, the highest of heats. I want it to be nice and silky, and I don't want to have to go over it too many times. Okay, so I have everything straightened. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this John Frieda Frizz Ease serum, just a little tinctures. I really like a 7x5 closure with Leaveout. It just gives like the vibes. So to finish up the styling, I'm gonna part the hair down the middle and we're gonna just bump the ends. Not a James Brown bump, an Aaliyah bump. Super cute. 1 second, let me get some pictures for the thumbnail. Okay, so this is the finished first look. The middle part with all of the layers looks great. It looks like a hair book from the early 2000s, like when you used to go to the black hair salons and they would have like the hairspray books, like the layers would be given this. Very much so given. Okay. Now, I also wore this hair a lot in a deep side part, and I want to just show you guys both really quick. Because if I didn't, I would be doing y'all a disservice, because I'm not gonna lie, I think the side part was actually my favorite. The middle part ate, but the side part just did something. So first I'm gonna go in and figure out exactly where I want my part. Okay, that is pretty perfect. So I'm going to clip this hair on this side, and then I'm gonna just start to press this hair going the other way. So I'm just gonna take it section by section, comb it over, spray a little hairspray, and then press it into place.
Won't you pick me up at the park right now, up the block while everyone sleeps? I'll be waiting there with my trench, my looks, my hat, just so I'm low key. If you tell the world, oh boy, see I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you know if I let this go.
Okay, so this is the finished look for the side part. Get into it. Left out my little sideburn so I can get very much ear tug energy. Swooped her over. You could leave her out if you want. I prefer the swooped look. This just gives me very much the black girl from Rugrats, but also not mad at it. If I was gonna do a swoop, I would do it shorter. That would be a really cute hairstyle. I actually might do that next, like a really cute, like short bang swoop situation. Let me know if y'all wanna see it. So much room for activities. You can make the swoop bigger as well if you wanted to go for like a dramatic, like over the eye swoop situation, or you could swoop it to your heart's desires. I just wanted to go for something kind of chill. I still want you to be able to see my eyebrows. Some real soft and supple. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's videos. All the details about this hair will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and check her out. If you liked this video, you would love this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes. What was this? I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Are we switching it up? Is it a new era? Not today.